2022 Mazda CX5. This is a rental car from Enterprise. We picked it up today with my mom and my dad. The license plate is LJUT89. It's from Florida. I know it's from Florida. And I'm going to show you how to put the child safety lock on. Ready? The child safety lock. And child safety. That's how the child safety lock on. Ready? That door cannot open from the inside. Only the outside. The child safety lock. Ready? This is how the child safety lock. Ta-da! Never open the door while the car is driving and drive. Only in park. I'm back, Mom.
Okay.
Say hi, Mom.
I don't want a video of me.
Say hi, Mom.
I don't want to be videoed. Thank you anyway.